front of me is Blackview A90 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and install your new default app, in my case Opera Mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and click on Home button. Now access device's settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then you need to click on Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. I wish to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser App, click on Opera Mini to set it up and simply go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!